In the world of assassins, there's one name that strikes fear into the hearts of even the bravest hitmen. The Baba Yaga.
Inspired by the pistol used by John Wick, this Glock 34 has many enhancements that make this firearm sleek while enhancing its performance. Every detail of this firearm has been carefully crafted. Every enhancement serves a purpose. The light and slide reduces swinging mass when transitioning from target to target. Aggressive stippling and subtle frame modifications help keep the pistol from slipping during extended strings of fire. A custom-made Cerakote has been applied to the barrel to denote this is no ordinary Glock. This is the Baba Yaga.
Mr. Wick, have fun at the range.
Hey guys, it may look like all fun and games in my videos, but firearms should be treated with the utmost respect and care. Even a small mistake can potentially lead to serious injuries or worse. So let's keep that in mind and let's get back to the video.
Go hard, but go home. Go hard, but go home.
So the bullet should be pointing that way.
Yeah.
Press down, hold down, and you can keep going.
Go hard, but go home. Go hard, but go home. Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, but go home. Go hard, go hard.
David taking his shirt off.
Yeah, these championship rings on my hands now. I had them top 10, yeah, that's hands down. You a squad, now you're looking man down.
And like train myself not to flinch before I actually
You have to learn to like
just let it happen
Let it
and
happen,
wait.
exactly.
Yeah.
Funny how foes turn to friends now. Drive a race car like a Atari now. Pulling up, I need a product again. Do a backflip.
This is the safety. You only switch to red when you're ready to shoot. Ammo, go hard. You can either press this or you can pull the charging handle.
Go hard, go home. Go hard, go home. Go.
We've had the handgun, we've had the rifle, and now we're gonna do the shotgun.
Some reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, no matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, no matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me.
Look through here to find the red dot to aim. Brace yourself. Wait. I wanna get your reaction.
I'm a cup of fun, go act up. I was cold hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real like this, a month, I don't rap much.
A man of focus, commitment, sheer will.